Hi guys! Today we'll show you how to upload your resume and make it visible on LinkedIn. This helps recruiters find your resume more easily when viewing your profile. After unlocking your phone, open the LinkedIn app. Tap your profile picture in the top left corner, then tap the settings icon. In Settings, tap Data Privacy. Scroll down to the Job Seeking Preferences section and tap Resumes and Job Applications Data. Tap Upload Resume in the middle of the screen. Select your resume or CV from your files, then upload it. After uploading your resume, enable the Share Resume Data with Hirers option so recruiters can use your resume information when you apply for jobs. Go back to Settings, then tap Visibility, under Visibility of your profile and network. Tap Profile Viewing options and select your name and headline so your profile appears with your identity when viewed by others. Return to the LinkedIn home screen, tap your profile picture again, then tap your name to open your profile. Tap Add section. Under Recommended, tap Add Featured to showcase your resume on your profile. Tap the plus icon, then choose Upload from Photos. Select an image of your resume or CV, add a title and description, then save it. And that's how you can easily upload your resume and make it visible on LinkedIn step by step. Once completed, your resume will be uploaded and recruiters will have an easier way to view your qualifications. If this helped you, make sure to subscribe and comment for more simple tutorials.